Hello friends, happy Sunday. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this new video. Today I want to show you how to do the material export, how to produce the build of material from the project. And you have a project like this, like the one I'm having on the screen, and you want to have a list of material that you want to order. So to do this, what we will do, we will open, we open the project like we have it, and there is two options. There is two options we can use to produce our list. So the first option I will show you is to use the function that is on the browser, the project browser that you can see here. You have this function that is called material list, and the thing you can do is just to right click on it, and you will have this windows popping up. And what you can do is just to click on this first function, and you will have this windows that is coming out again. And this is the first option. This is the first way to do it. To continue, I will show you the second way, because even the second way would come at this place, at this windows. So that is why I want to show you the second option before we continue. So to show you the second option, I will close this one. And the second option is on view. You go to view. This is view, and you have this list here, this shadow here. I think in English it's called shadow. And you can click on it, and you have the material list, the first option, the first function that is coming. You can click on it, and you see we are coming at the same place like in the first option we just chose. So to continue, we will check the first thing here, like all the filter we have. You know, in the project there is many templates that are used, maybe electro, the piping, maybe fire protection. All the template, you can see it here. You can see all the template here. And sometimes you just want to export the material, maybe the electronic want to export the material of electronics. I mean the electrical want to export the electric material. So you just come at this template. You know, you have different template here. You can select the one you don't. You can just unclick the one you don't want to export. So I can unclick this one, and you will see thing being removed. This one, and you see thing being removed. But I don't want to remove anything here. I just want to export everything, and I will select it after. So this is using the template to filter. You can also use the fast. You know, in the project, if you plan it using the fast, maybe this is the first fast, this is the second one, this is the third fast. You can use this fast to choose the material you want to export, so that the material will be exported. Your material will order the material depending on the fast in the project. That is why it's useful. But here we just have one phase. We didn't plan the project with different phases, so we just have one. So that is why we are not able to select something here. And what we will do, if we finish to click to choose everything, all the parameter we want, we will just click on OK. We will have this window that is popping up, and now we have the parameter of the material we have inside our project. We have, for example, the higher, we have, for example, the weight, we have the number, and all this parameter. We have the family, so we can decide to choose the parameter we want to take. So let me say I will take the number, how many material of the type we have. We can use the control to select many parameter at the same time. So choose the quantity. I will also choose the family by using control. Anytime you want to choose many, use control. I can also choose the category, and I can even choose the cost. But again, also choose the level, and if I have everything I want, I will just click on this function here. Click this function to bring all my choice inside this field. So now we have it. We have everything inside this field. In case I realize that there is something here, there is something inside my list I want to remove, I will just choose it again, like you see, like this one, and I will remove it with this function. Remove it like this. I can remove it, I can leave it like this because I didn't put any cost. Even if I bring the cost inside this field, that will be empty. The cost column will be empty. I can do it, and you can see it what I'm talking about. You can see what I'm talking about. I will take it again. And we also have this possibility to, let me take the type also. We have the type. Take it inside this field, and now we have the possibility to position the different parameter. Maybe we want the parameter to come, the type to come at the first place, maybe the family to come at the second place, the cost to come at the third place. So we can use this function to do it. Like you can see, we bring it up. Now we have it at the first place. This one too, we have at the second place. We can change everything we want, give it the position we want. Okay, now that we are done, we have many things we can do here, but we will not go so deep today. So I will just finish to put the position like this, and I will click OK. And now you have the list that is coming here. You have our list here. In case you realize that there is something missing, or you want to remove something, you have this possibility to go back to the parameter by using this function you can see here. The function you see here, I will click on it, click on the first, and you see I'm coming back to that place we were before, and I still have this possibility to put more filter and filter even more and more to really select what I want to take to my list. So that is why these functions are useful. And once you are inside you are inside this window that's popping up, you don't need to go back here because you have the same function here. You see, for example, this one is the same function here. This one is the same function here. So if you are here inside, you don't have to go back here. You can just continue to work here. If I'm okay with my change, what I will do is just to click on OK. You click on OK, and now I have my list here with all my parameter I choose, everything I just decide. You see the cost, like I was telling you, the cost is empty because I didn't put any cost. So that is why you see empty here. You see it empty. I can decide to remove it, like I said. I will just show you how to remove it, and you see I will choose the cost and bring it back in this felt, and I put it okay again, and you see now the cost disappear. We have our list here. Okay, let's say we are done with the list, and now the thing is how to bring it inside Excel, because not everyone in the project have access to Revit, or not everyone can use it to work. So the work we have to do now is to bring this material we have here inside Excel. So we export it. To export our material, we go back to, we have the list, what we just produced, and we will click on detail, and we go down, we have this option here, export. Go down a little bit, and we will have this function here, and inside this function you have two functions available, and you have material list. This is what the function we will use. We will just click on it, and what we will have to do now is to give the name to our list, the list we just produced. We give the name, and we will choose the place to save it, the place we want to save our list. So we will call it, let me call it material list 2. Material list 02, and I will choose the place, yes, on desktop, so everything is correct, and I will click on save. Okay, now we will just wait a little bit so that we can have our material export. I think that was fast, so let us check if we already have it. Okay, we already have it. You see, this is material list 02 we just produced. And now the thing is to check if everything is okay inside Excel. So you know, sometimes you can export something in Excel, but you still have it in block. You have it in block, maybe separate with the comma, and not everyone is ready to work with it. So we can check it and see if everything is okay. You open it, and like I said, you see everything is in block. We have the type, we have the family, we have the category, we have the number, yes, let me say number, we have the level. Everything is in block and in one column, and we don't want it like that. That is what we don't want. So we have to split everything. We have to split so that we can have our different parameters in different column. So that is what we can do now. That's what we have to do, maybe before giving it to the person who is using it, who is doing the order. So to do this, what we do is to go to data, this is in German, and we have data. We will go data, and we will choose from test CSV. This is what we have. This is our list. So what we will do now is to upload our list again inside Excel, and use Power Query to split it, because with Power Query you can work on data so that you can do everything you want, maybe split it, or I don't know, you want to visualize the data. You can do it by working in Power Query. So where do we have our list? We go on desktop, and was material list 2. You have it, we choose it, and we click on import. We just have to wait a little bit so that you see now we have, because before I did it because I did it before, so the program is recognizing, okay, I separate my parameter, all the function, all the parameter with comma. So that is why the program is automatically using the comma to separate my list. But I could change it and thing will be different, you know. Like you see, you can use double, it's in German, semicolon, all this in German, but the right, what we use is the comma, what you can, this small thing, you know, it's, I think it's comma in English. So now we have everything the way we want, and what we can do is to just we are sure, okay, this is what we want. We can use on, we can go to data transform. We have it like this. If you want to create another column, it's possible to do it here, but we don't want to create another column. We don't want to do this. So the thing is, we just want to bring it inside Excel and save it with the number of columns we have. We have here 4 columns, so we want to save it like that. So we just click on save and close. I think it's that. Save and close. Just wait, and now you see we have everything here clearly, and with the filter function, everything we want. So that is what I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and give me some support by doing these 3 things: like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Next Sunday again. Have a nice evening. Ciao.